In this first stage, the project begins with locating a long-abandoned Dodge Charger buried deep in a damp forest, followed by a careful visual inspection of its exterior and interior damage. The car is methodically prepared for extraction, secured with proper towing equipment, and pulled free from years of mud and decay. Once transported to the workshop, a detailed assessment confirms extensive rust and structural issues, leading to the decision to commit to a full, ground-up restoration before any real repair work can begin. This car was once abandoned, rusted, broken and forgotten. Today it lives again. If this restoration inspired you, support us by subscribing. Share this video, leave a comment and become part of this journey. More restorations are coming. At this stage, the focus is on removing years of dirt, grease and organic build-up so the real condition of the car can be seen clearly. High-pressure washing and degreasing strip away surface contamination without hiding the damage underneath. Interior debris is cleared, exterior accessories are carefully removed, and every part is labelled and organised. By the end of this phase, the Charger is clean enough to reveal its true structural state and ready for full disassembly and metal repair. In this stage, the car is completely stripped down to its core. The interior, glass, drivetrain, suspension and fuel system are carefully removed, exposing the true extent of corrosion hidden for decades. With the body separated from the chassis, the frame can finally be inspected and cleaned properly. Sandblasting reveals structural damage that couldn't be seen before, allowing accurate planning for repairs. This step is critical because a solid frame is the foundation for everything that comes next in a proper restoration. In this phase, the focus is on restoring strength and shape. Rusted frame sections are cut away and replaced with fresh steel, then aligned precisely on a jig to match factory specifications. The interior floor pan is rebuilt, side panels are replaced, and the Charger's iconic lines are carefully re-established. Thin layers of body filler are shaped through rough and fine sanding, followed by protective epoxy primer and sealed seams. By the end, the car is structurally solid and uniformly matte, fully prepared for the paint process that comes next. If you enjoyed watching this incredible transformation from a forgotten rusted supercar into a machine reborn, don't forget to subscribe for more full restorations like this. Leave a comment below and tell us what car we should restore next. And share this video with fellow car lovers. Your support helps keep these restorations alive. In this stage, the body is fully sealed with primer, then refined through wet sanding to achieve a perfectly smooth foundation. The base color is applied gradually in multiple passes to build even coverage without rushing the finish. Clear coat follows to protect the paint and bring depth and shine, then heat curing ensures durability. Polishing transforms the surface into a mirror-like gloss, and final exterior details like emblems and glass complete the transformation, revealing the classic muscle car presence in full. At this stage, the focus shifts from looks to performance and comfort. The engine is fully rebuilt with new internal components, cleaned, repainted and reassembled to factory specifications before being installed back into the car. Suspension and braking systems are renewed to restore safe handling and stopping power. Inside the cabin, fresh upholstery, carpet, panels and classic controls bring the interior back to life, ensuring the car feels as solid and refined as it looks. In this final stage, the build comes together with wheels, exhaust, wiring and fluids installed to make the car fully functional again. After the first startup and careful tuning, the Charger proves its reliability on the road during a short test drive. A thorough final detailing highlights the craftsmanship, revealing a dramatic transformation from a rusted shell into a fully restored 1970 Dodge Charger RT, ready to be driven and enjoyed like new. Thank you for watching this full restoration. If you like videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to share this video with friends who love cars and restorations. See you in the next project.
It's finally done. From that rusted shell to this beauty. Absolutely incredible work.